Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about another types of differential equation, that is homogeneous differential equation. Okay, in the last lecture we have seen how to solve variable separable differential equation, and today another kind of differential equation, that is homogeneous differential equation. So what is homogeneous differential equation? See, suppose you have a differential equation in the form dy by dx is equal to some function of xy divided by some other function of xy. The problem is we can't separate this dy and dx. So this is a function of xy and this is a function of xy. So we can't extract x and y separately to either side. Okay, so that's why we employ another method. So we imagine there is a substitution, that is y is equal to vx. Okay, then we can find dy by dx from it, that is v plus first function into differential of second, that is 1, plus second function x into differential of first, that is dv by dx. Now this substitution, if you substitute y is equal to vx, so you can substitute y is equal to vx here. So I am converting all into the x parameters, then I can substitute this dy by dx as this. Okay, that's the method I am going to apply here. So if I substitute this dy by dx, that is with this v plus x dv by dx, and this f of xy, y I am treat as vx, so x vx. Okay, and x vx. Okay, now in the, if all the function, all the term having this x, that I can take out here also, I can take out, so I can cancel out this x term. So x dv by dx. Okay, x dv by dx, this term, and this x will cancel out, that is f of 1v, and here 1v minus this v I can take to this side, that is minus v. So I can write x dv by dx is equal to f of 1v by psi of 1v. Okay, now I can separate this, that is x dv by dx is equal to f of 1v minus v psi of 1v divided by psi of 1v by cross multiplication, f of 1v v psi of 1v divided by psi of 1v. Now I can separate now all v function to a side and x function to another side. Then I can form this expression as variable separable form. Okay, so when I do one example, you will get more idea about this. Okay, see, let us start with one question. Okay, so the question is, so question I can write here, that is y dy y dash is equal to, this is the question, y dash is equal to x plus y divided by x. Okay, so this is the question. So let us go to the blackboard. Okay, so this is the question. So I am substituting, so I can't separate this x and y into one side. Okay, so I am writing this y dash dy by dx, that is equal to, that is x plus y divided by x. Now I am making the substitute, and y is equal to vx. Then what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to v plus first function into differential of second plus second function into differential of first. So I can substitute this dy by dx with this value now, that is v plus x dv by dx, that is equal to x plus this y I am substituting as vx divided by x, right? So x dv by dx, so here I can keep v equal to, see here x I can take out, here also x, then will cancel, so 1 plus v, and this v we can cancel. So I can write dv is equal to 1 by x dx. So if I am integrating, now it is a variable separable form. If I am integrating, I will get v is equal to log x plus c. Okay, now what is v? We have taken as we have taken as y by x. Okay, so I can take as y by x, and this c I can treat as log c. Okay, c is a constant, so log c also another constant. So this c I can write as log c. So this is log cx. Okay, log a plus log b, log cx. Now what is cx? Cx I can write as e raised to pi by x. Okay, so this way or any other way you can treat. So from it I can directly write y by x is equal to. So in the option, in which way the answer is given, that we have to form from it. Okay, so this is all about this problem, and then we can go to the next problem. So this is the solution. Okay, so let us go to the main problem, main port, that is, yes, this is the problem which we have done here. So I can say here y is equal to y by x is equal to log x plus c. So instead of, so they have not taken c as log c, so you may take like that also. Okay, so you can write y is equal to x log x plus c. Okay, now we have another question here. 1 plus e raised to x by y dx is equal to e raised to x by y into 1 minus x by y dy equal to 0. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to take this part into this side. So I am keeping this side here, that is e raised to x by y 1 minus x by y dy, that is equal to minus 1 plus this term, minus 1 plus e raised to x by y dx. Now dx by dy, I am finding out this dx by dy because here x by y, not y by x. So x by y, if I am substituting v, okay, so x by y I am substituting as v. So here I am made the substitution as x by y is equal to v. Then x is equal to vy. Then what is dx by dy? Dx by dy is equal to, that is first function into differential of second with respect to y1, and second function into differential of, that is dv by dy. Okay, so this is the substitution which I am going to make here. So that is dx by dy I can replace with this. Okay, then only I can give x by y is equal to v. Okay, so dx by dy, here I made the substitution. Okay, so I am taking v as x by y, okay, in the final expression, right? So that is x is equal to vy, and dx by dy, that we have already seen. Now I am going to substitute that this side. So this side I am going to substitute. So this here I am going to substitute dx by dy as this, that is v plus y dv by dy, and here this x by y is v, so e raised to v minus 1 divided by 1 plus v, 1 plus e raised to v. So all x by y I converted as, that is v. Okay, so that is y dv by dy. Okay, this v I can take to this side. Now I am going to cross multiply. Okay, that is when I am multiplying this with the cross multiplication, I am treating here as 1. So when you cross multiply, that is e raised to v into v minus 1 minus v into 1 plus e raised to v divided by 1 plus e raised to v, and some more terms will cancel, that is this minus e raised to v plus v divided by 1 plus e raised to v. Okay, now we will get this as e raised to v plus 1. So I can take all dv dv function, all v variable into one side and y variable into other side. Okay, that's all. So when I am taking this this 1 plus e raised to v to this side, and e raised to v by plus v to this side, so e raised to v plus 1 e raised to v plus v dv. Okay, that is equal to, I can write this as here a negative sign, this dy comes to here and 1 by y, thus minus dy by y. Now this in a standard format, we have converted all v variable into one side and y variable into other side. So if you give this as t, what will be dt? E raised to v on differentiation, e raised to v on differentiation, that is equal to 1 with respect to dv. Okay, so when you give this t, you will get this as dt. So 1 by t dt, that is log t, that is log e raised to v plus v. Here minus log y plus c. C I can write as log c. Okay, so I can write this to this side. So log e raised to x by y plus y. V is this v all we can resubstitute. We have taken as x by y, right? So x by y, here also x by y plus log y, that is equal to log c, and this whole log this I can write as log a plus log b. Okay, so I can write this as log ab. Okay, so this I can more precisely I can write this as y e raised to x by y into y, right? So this I am going to write as log a plus log b. So log y into e raised to x by y plus x by y, right? That is equal to log c. Okay, so that is equal to log y e raised to x by y plus x is equal to log c. So I can write a c is equal to y e raised to x by y plus x. So that is the answer. Okay, okay, that's all about this problem. Okay, so this is the very homogeneous type of differential equation, the y e raised to x by y plus x is equal to c. And in the next class we will discuss about linear differential equation. Okay, then we will go to higher order degree differential equations. That's all are very important. Okay, thank you.